What's up, YouTube? This is the day two. Yeah, day two of like fixing. So fixa. Yo, why I'm black? Yeah, day two. Mara fixa a room decoration. So mara so put so fizing. We're gonna put our laptops on. So fizing too. Hamara bangan bamis, you know. So yeah, man. Watch until the end and see what's happening on this video. And do not forget to subscribe and do the most for more content like this. I'm sorry, I'm going to share with them content is on. Yeah, decoration. Thank you. No, we have a fun. Bye. Ito nam so sana nga pa. Yeah, oh. Yes. Yes. May maprotonyo. Ay. 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 Okay. Isa. Kalama. Ay. Descendo.
Caballo.
Ini masih shoot ang mo, diba? Shoot ang mo.
Saligan si room laka chest tando. Yang bam. Okay. No problem.
No problem. So as you see, there is a keyboard, TV, laptop, the TV, iPhone 12, the speaker, but the speaker will remove it. Will going to make it proper. Yeah, the speaker na nga pa.
Ito taniped.
Sa tangipede na nga.
Donation pede. Donation pede.
Pede? Okay?
Okay, brother.
Uni may kere. Jesu fie useni ese upama. Yeah, ni may kere.
Aye, ayna, ebi borila kuge.
Ganta. Uba.
Yang tapi kumpuli logis, kumpulai simplat.
Oba la.
Mulai kami. Yeah, bafethu. Shout out to TS Tano. Yeah, I was saving the fund.
English. English.
Shooting the band. Ngithola. Ibamba mi. Asingisi bafethu ngiyasikhona kancane ngithola. Sikhona kancane bafethu. Into kuningi sokubona phambili bafethu. Sokubona phambili. Yabona bethi sesiredi mara sesirinde ukuthi vele sisiconnect yonke into ibe mnandi ya so yabona manje siphethe ku Mr. Electrician, you know the vibe.
Yeah, man.
You know the vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it things upon a family.
So yeah, computer. Slowly but surely, buffet. Slowly but surely. Hello. It's a Julia. Yes.